Alright, this is part 3 of this sawmill build, and the goal is to get this motor, this 5.5 horsepower motor installed into this. So I'll take you around the back and show you what I'm thinking. So I've just put this bit of metal through here. That's the centre where the motor needs to go. So I'm going to weld this bit of 3-inch steel, box steel in here, and then I'm going to put a plate, and then I'm going to have to put some angle brackets on it here to hold the weight of the motor, because it's quite heavy motor. And then I can set the motor up here and see exactly where it needs to go, and put a couple of bolts in it so I can tighten the belt. I'll jump into it here and put this on time lapse and sort this wee bit out. Alright, I just wired it up there. I just want to turn it on here to see if it works alright. So it works there alright. I just have to align it a wee bit better and stuff, but can't get it fully aligned to get the blade on it. So I'll move on to the next thing. Alright, I've just installed in blade guides and installed the motor here. I've still a couple of wee things to do, but it seems to be running alright there. These washers, I'm going to have to find a way to center them in the blade guide to stop them rattling a wee bit. But I'll turn it on here for you just so you can see. I'll stand behind it. You can see what I mean about them burns rattling a wee bit. That's all it is. Sounds worse than it is. So I'm going to have to find a way so that stays in the centre. It doesn't rattle like that. Alright, that's it. That's going to do it for this one. That was installing the blade guides on the motor. I'm cutting this bit out here. The next bit, we'll just have to finish off welding, but I'm not going to bore you doing that. And then the next bit's going to be building the frame, and then running the heavy cable to where it's going outside. But I might run it in here first. Get a log and put it in here and run it in here first. So if you've made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching, and please subscribe and hit the thumbs up for me. Thanks for watching.